Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up repair report for Wayne in Missouri on this Galaxy 33 HML. Wayne got ready to go for you. As you see, you have light again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Everything's working good there on your meter. Echo on off. Low, medium, high. Did the voltage regulator upgrade as well. 5 watt slug on low. A little under a half a watt. Medium. 2 watts. High. 5 watts. 50 watt slug. Show you average power first. Hello. About 13 bird. Peak power. Hello. About 37 peak. Alright, Wayne, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. For your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.